Zachary Chinyi. I'm from Manitowoc. I chose Kenj because of the availability of the program, and I chose the welding program because I believe it's a skill that I've always wanted to learn and I've always wanted to get some practice in, and this is the easiest way for me to learn this skill is by coming to Kenj. When it comes to the training, I like the practical side that it's all hands-on. Our instructor kind of allows us to make mistakes and he corrects us when he sees us making mistakes. So it's really a judgment-free zone when you're in the classroom. So I appreciate that about my instructor. I found about the program actually on Instagram, and it's always a skill set that I've wanted to learn. So when I saw it on Instagram, I decided to reach out to Kenj and I got in touch with Mr. Felchik. That's how I'm here now.